Alright, so those are the apps that you're going to need on top of what we've already talked about in the previous videos. And there's just one more thing I wanted to show you in this video before we talk about Facebook advertising and Facebook ad buying. So you can just go back to your page here. Now the new Facebook timeline has really cool insights. Okay, once you have 30 fans, you can come here and click on Insights, and it's going to actually give you a lot of information about your page. Okay, so if you have any questions about any of these statistics, you can click here by the question mark, and it'll just show you, everything you need to know. So here it says 11,124 likes, and these are friends of fans, so number of unique people who are friends with people who like my page. So you can see that I've got this many likes here on Profit Insiders, but this is how many potential people are connected to my page. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, you can come down here. You can see your total reach, which is basically just the number of people who have seen your content associated with your page in the last 7 days. Okay, so pretty sweet. Alright, this is going to give you a good idea of how many people are actually seeing the stuff you're putting out there. So obviously, this is a good indicator to let you know, should I be adding more content? Am I adding too much? What's the good happy medium? You can come here to likes. See your page likes by demographic, which is awesome. You can see your likes by country. You can see where your likes came from, either new, people that have unliked your page. You can see the sources. Did it come from a like box or a like button, like we did in the WordPress integration? Did it come from a mobile phone on your page? Okay, so most of our traffic was driven straight to our sales page at profitinsiders.com. So this on-page traffic is going to be lower for us. Right now, we're just now starting to build this this Facebook page here on Profit Insiders at Facebook. So this will go up, but you can see where all your likes have come from. So very cool. And then you can even go to your reach here. Same thing. You can see gender and age demographics. People that have seen your stories in their newsfeed is basically what this is. So it's the percentage of people who saw any content about your page over a certain amount of time. Sweet. And then how you reached people. Okay, so you can see, is it organic? Is it paid traffic? Was it viral traffic? So I think most of ours was viral traffic. If I unclick these and unclick the total, yeah, it's basically all viral traffic. So that's another cool thing you can check out. You can check out the visits to your page. Page views, unique views. So there's so much statistics here that you've got a lot to go off of. You can export your data into Excel. Use your statistics. I think one of the number one things in internet marketing where people fail is not using and utilizing their statistical information. It's actually in internet marketing, a lot of big companies hire someone just to run analytics. It's such an important job. For now, you can run your own. Just check out these statistics. They tell you so much about your business, about your health. They tell you about what you need to do. And I know that sometimes it can be confusing, but Facebook's made it pretty easy. They've given us some very detailed information that you'd have to pay for at a lot of other websites. So definitely take advantage of those statistics. If you've got a lot of likes, but not a lot of people are talking about you, or not a lot of people are sharing your content, and your reach isn't that high, then maybe it's time to get some new content out there. I know that we need to do that on this page. Okay, so this page has some cool information, but we need to start posting more. We need to get our content out there. Okay, so that's your statistics are going to let you know what it's time for you to do. So never neglect that. Okay, so in this video we basically talked about a couple more apps you could download, some fun stuff where engaging your fans, quizzes, polls, things like that. We also talked about some apps for actually promoting products and promoting affiliate products and getting your sales and brand awareness up. We also went over the insights. So in the next video we're going to touch on Facebook ad buying. I'll show you how to use the Facebook ad buying statistics system there too. But go ahead, and if you haven't already gotten your page set up with your blog integrated, go ahead and do that, and then add these apps and get everything set up, and you're pretty much on your way to having a massive amount of success with Facebook. And advertising is kind of the last piece. It's kind of where we can drive traffic, paid traffic. So it's pretty cool. But thanks again for watching this video. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.